Hello guys, I hope you are all good. Today, I will show you that how to convert image to text without any software, and it will also work on any language. So let's start the video. Welcome to my channel Editable Text. I will convert this image to text. To do that, open your Chrome browser. Now you need to click on this, but if your browser doesn't show it, then follow those steps. Go to the search bar and search Google. And press Enter. Now click on Google. Now click on it. And click on Drive. Now you need to drag and drop your image into there. Now right-click on your image. Click on Open With. And then click on Google Docs. Now scroll down. And there are your text. You can copy it and edit by yourself. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.